Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be teaching you how to create a thunder god effect on Higgsfield AI. And in case you're wondering, yes, this is the same effect that Thor uses in the Avengers movies. So all you have to do to create this particular effect is very simple. You just have to go to this website called higgsfield.ai. So once you're on the website, you just have to scroll through the visual effects section and choose the thunder god effect here. So once you've chosen that, you'll be brought to a page where you see various samples. I mean, crazy, really crazy. Now you can see they differ in color. Sometimes this is pink, this is white lightning and all. So you can create your own by clicking on the generate icon here. And on this, once you've clicked on the generate icon, you'll be brought to this page where you upload your image. After uploading your image, describe the prompt you want, describe what you want to see, the kind of lightning, the color, the just describe the scenery, and choose the model of choice here, choose your duration and resolution, then hit generate. Now it's worth noting that it's best for you to you can choose a different model in this area, but I'll just advise you stick with this. But it doesn't still mean you can choose the Higgsfield light, especially if you're trying to minimize your credit usage. So you can just look for the ones without the premium tag here. Those ones are free. This is free. This is also free, and then means one more. Yes, this is free. So it just depends on what you want. So this one is the basic one, 720p. Yeah, high resolution, but the highest is 5 seconds and the lowest duration 3 seconds. This is 720p 5 seconds. Now this is the best because it gives you 6 to 10 seconds. However, the resolution is not so great, so you can just choose this and then hit this. Or you can also change the resolution, but the rest are premium. So you can just click on generate and your video will be rendered in 10 to 15 minutes here. So once the video is rendered, you can hit the download icon to have it on your device and then add it to your project. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments section. I'm going to see them and try and respond. Okay guys, please subscribe as we're actively trying to grow our channel, please.